ever wondered what makes the iPhone 13 Pro Max stand out in the sea of smartphones? Today, we delve into the world of Apple's latest and greatest, exploring each feature one by one. The iPhone 13 Pro Max, a marvel of technology, boasts an array of impressive features that warrant a closer look. Firstly, it's all about the display. The iPhone 13 Pro Max features a Super Retina XDR display, a mouthful of a term that essentially means you're getting the brightest iPhone display yet. With a screen size of 6.7 inches, it promises a visual experience like no other, with striking colors and crisp details. Next, we cannot ignore the Pro camera system. A trio of lenses, wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, offer an unparalleled photography experience. With night mode available on all lenses and cinematic mode for depth of field effect, capturing memories or creating content has never been better. Underneath its sleek exterior, the iPhone 13 Pro Max houses the A15 Bionic Chip. This is the engine that powers everything you do on your iPhone. From gaming to multitasking, the A15 Bionic Chip ensures smooth operation and efficient performance. Battery life, a critical factor for any smartphone user, gets a significant upgrade in the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Apple promises up to 28% more screen-on time compared to previous models, thanks to the efficiency of the new A15 chip and a larger battery. The new A15 chip is designed to deliver faster performance and improved power efficiency, allowing users to do more with their iPhone 13 Pro Max. In addition to the improved battery life, the iPhone 13 Pro Max also features a larger battery capacity. This means users can enjoy longer usage times without worrying about running out of power. The combination of the A15 chip and the larger battery makes the iPhone 13 Pro Max a powerhouse when it comes to battery life. Users can confidently use their device throughout the day without constantly needing to recharge. Whether you're a heavy smartphone user or someone who relies on their device for work, the iPhone 13 Pro Max's enhanced battery life is sure to impress. With the iPhone 13 Pro Max, Apple has once again raised the bar when it comes to smartphone battery life. Users can expect to get more out of their device, whether it's watching videos, playing games, or browsing the web. In conclusion, the iPhone 13 Pro Max offers a significant upgrade in battery life compared to previous models. Thanks to the efficiency of the new A15 chip and a larger battery, users can enjoy longer screen-on time and worry less about running out of power. Last, but certainly not least, is the 5G capability. With 5G, experience faster download and upload speeds, high-quality video streaming, and more responsive gaming. In summary, the iPhone 13 Pro Max offers an immersive Super Retina XDR display, a versatile Pro camera system, the powerful A15 Bionic chip, improved battery life, and 5G capability. It's a smartphone that truly embodies the ethos of Apple, combining impressive technology with a user-friendly interface. From the screen to the camera, to the chip and the battery, each feature of the iPhone 13 Pro Max has been crafted with the user in mind, creating a seamless and enjoyable experience. In the world of smartphones, it's a contender that's hard to beat. Whether you're a devoted Apple enthusiast or a curious onlooker, the iPhone 13 Pro Max is a device that is sure to impress. It encapsulates the very best of what a smartphone can be, offering a blend of performance, design, and technology that is truly top tier.